In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Slack notifications not working. By the end, you'll know exactly which settings to check in Slack, so important messages and mentions don't slip through the cracks. Start by opening Slack on your desktop or in the browser and heading to your account menu, the one you access from your profile picture or workspace name. From there, open the Pause Notifications menu. This is a common reason notifications seem broken. They might simply be paused. In this menu, you'll see options to pause for 30 minutes, for 1 hour, or for 2 hours. These are handy for quick focus sessions, but if any of them are active, you won't see notifications during that period. You'll also see longer options like until tomorrow and until next week. Those are great when you're off for the day or taking time away, but if they're turned on, messages won't alert you until that time has passed. There's also an option to pause for all except VIPs. If you're using this, only designated VIPs will break through, which can make it look like notifications are inconsistent. Review these choices and make sure you're not unintentionally paused. Next, choose Set a Notification Schedule. This lets you define your working hours so Slack only alerts you when you want. If notifications aren't coming through, your schedule might be too restrictive. Adjust your start and end times to match your day and confirm the days of the week that apply. Now let's fine-tune preferences. Open your notification preferences and go to Desktop Notifications. Click into this section and review the options. If something looks off, toggle the setting off and then on again to refresh it, and confirm your choices for alerts, sounds, and whether Slack can show system banners. Then do the same in mobile notifications. Open that section, verify how and when your phone should alert you, and if needed, toggle the setting and set it back the way you want. This quick refresh often resolves odd behavior. Move on to what to notify you about. Here, you can choose mentions and direct messages if you prefer fewer interruptions, or everything if you want every new message in your channels to trigger an alert. If messages aren't appearing, switching briefly to everything can help you confirm that notifications are working, and you can always change it back to a more focused option afterward. Look for Also Notify You About and review the additional items that can generate alerts, such as thread replies or other activity types. Turning the right ones on helps you catch the updates you care about. Open What to Show in Activity. Your activity feed is a great backup view for anything you might have missed. Choose what appears there so you can quickly scan for important mentions and updates even if you didn't hear or see a banner. Select channel keywords. Add terms, project codes, or client names you care about. When these words appear, Slack will alert you, making sure high priority topics always surface. Revisit notification schedule inside preferences to double check it matches your availability. This should align with the earlier schedule setting you saw, and it ensures your alerts aren't silenced at the wrong times. Find Allow Notifications and verify that Slack is permitted to send alerts during your chosen hours and under the conditions you've set. If this is limited, you may miss messages. Set a default time for reminder notifications so snoozed or saved items return at a moment you'll actually notice. Pick a time of day when you're consistently at your desk or checking your phone. Finally, decide whether to include a preview of the message in each notification. If privacy is critical, turn this off so only the sender and channel name appear. If you want faster context, keep it on so you can glance at the content without opening Slack. Adjust this to fit your workflow and confirm your choice. That's it. With pause settings reviewed, schedules set, and preferences tuned for desktop and mobile, your Slack notifications should be back on track. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your alerts working exactly the way you want.